Introduction. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to define different types of food, list sources of food, describe food hygiene, and list healthy eating habits. Types of foods. Protective foods. Foods that keep us strong and protect us from diseases are called protective foods. Green and leafy vegetables and fruits are examples of protective foods. Plant and food hygiene. Healthy eating habits. We must follow eating habits to stay fit and strong. We must eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner at fixed times every day. Never skip a meal. Avoid junk food. Eat a lot of vegetables and fruits. Self-assessment. It is time to check what you have learnt. Fill in the blanks by dragging and dropping the correct options. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. Energy-giving foods give us energy to work and play. Bodybuilding foods help us grow. Protective foods protect us from diseases. We eat both plant and animal products. We should observe food hygiene to stay healthy. We should